Good morning, good day, good evening, good evening. Whichever time you are watching my YouTube video, and I appreciate it. This is September 18th on a Wednesday, and I'm going to make a wall decor for my daughter, once again, using two of the screen splatters with the knob in the center, and one with the handle at the end, and wire, and then various picks and ribbon from Dollar Tree. And I might even put on this cute little windmill type scarecrow up at the top. I'm not sure. And I'm going to use some puffy paint just to decorate the screen a little bit. You'll see what I mean during the slideshow. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and share this idea if you like it to your family and your friends and your gal pals. I wish I had a craft club here in Bay City, Michigan. I would have you all meeting with me once a month and we could make these together. Alrighty, let's get going. Okay, I placed the wire here, 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 and here. And then I tighten it with my, excuse me, needle nose pliers. And I made sure that the hole that was from the handle is covered. In other words, the front of the piece, you won't barely see that hole. So far, this is what it looks like. I have to make sure this work area is clean because I do not want to rip open the screen that's on these grease splatters, or grease protection splatters covers. And I'm going to clean up this area, and then I will lay down next my puffy paint just to scribble on some designs to bring it out more of a 3D dimension. So let's continue. Clean. While Ariel's puffy orange paint is drying on her form, I am going to assemble my form. I spray painted it with Rust-Oleum metallic copper. It seems to be my favorite color. And yes, I did spray paint the knobs that came with these. They will be used for my next project. Well, actually, I'm doing the other project while I am also creating this project on this video. I'm saving these for the truck centerpiece I'm going to make. So while I spray painted them, I spray painted these. I'll set that aside. So anyhow, I need a wire in 4 spots, and then I am going to wrap with twine, and then I'm going to wrap twine around the copper area and decorate this piece farmhouse style, rustic style. Alright, thanks for sticking around. Let's continue. Now mine is finished. Ariel's puffy paint has to dry for tomorrow. Now I was going to use puffy paint on mine and place white dots around this, but I like the copper showing too, and there's polka dots in the ribbon. So I just added cotton flowers, and then the rest is all Dollar Tree. Now let's finish up with Ariel's. Totally different look. Good morning. It is September 19th on a Thursday in the year 2019. The puffy paint that I used yesterday is all completely dried. Now I can work on the swag and the handle. I'm using Dollar Tree nautical rope, and I just glued behind a strand of it, looped it, and gluing it down. Then I'm just going to use regular 3-ply jute twine that I picked up at Walmart's, and I will cover up this area, and I even think I will add twine around this metal screen splatter. Now remember, I'm saving the center knobs from these screen splatters for my next DIY project, so make sure you stick around and subscribe and see what I do with this. So let's continue with Ariel's pumpkin fall wall decor. Okay, I did the left side and then the right side, and now I'm starting at the top, and I have enough rope left, nautical rope left, to do the center. Excuse me. And then this portion will be finished, and I can add the swag. Now I tied the rest of the Dollar Tree, excuse me, Dollar Tree grass skirt. And you know the grass skirts, the straw skirts are tied to jute twine if you never purchased them before, or made my cousin it that I displayed in a couple videos a while back. What you can do is you can use the part of the twine and tie it. Now I have that cute little tin maple leaf from the Dollar Tree truck. And let me show you one more time what the Dollar Tree truck looks like, because the next video is about this truck again. But here's the Dollar Tree Happy Harvest. I'm not using that portion. I am making a all-season truck. Okay, so I do not need a maple leaf on my truck. And thus, I transferred it here on this cute wooden tag that says Fall 2019. Okay, and then I'm going to tie it up here, trim it down a little bit, and she's going to be ready to go home to Ariel. But I won't forget the final photo. And here we are, out in this beautiful morning. This could be an outdoor wreath, however, only in a covered area. It's not waterproof. I hope my daughter likes it. Very pretty. Fall 2019. To Ariel Love Mom. Oh yeah, here is my new catio door. It's an update. I bought a little flapping door for the cats and then just used poster board from Dollar Tree to cover the rest of the window. Now I don't have any bugs flying in the house or any cold air coming in. Good morning, Miss Tortellini. Subscribe. See you next time.